Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you two simple methods using which you can fix the DISM error which you get while trying to restore the health of your Windows. So in the first method, simply search for services. Once here, locate the Windows Modules Installer service. Double click on it, change the starter type to automatic and save the change. Now right click over the service and start the service again. So once done, try using the DISM tool and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the second method, we'll be using the Windows ISO file. For that, you need to see the Windows version first. Simply type WinVer and see the current version of Windows installed on your PC. Now right click over the ISO file and mount it. Now once the ISO file is mounted, simply search for CMD and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description, you will get this command, simply copy it. But before that, replace this X with the drive letter on which your system has mounted the ISO. In my case, it is the F drive, so I have replaced the X with F. Paste this command in the CMD window and hit enter. And wait for the process to finish. Once it is done, now type sfc space scan now and hit enter. And wait for the process to finish. Once completed successfully, close the CMD window, eject the mounted ISO, and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. After restart, you can perform the DISM function to restore the health, and this time you won't get any error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.